we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down?
Good morning, this is Debbie with the FoodPrepping channel, and this morning I've got a lot of stuff that I need to cook today. So the one thing that I want to fix before it goes bad is this sausage. Now this is good nose, this one is hot, and this one is mild. And I grew up eating this sausage. This is the only thing that my mom and my grandmother would get, was this ganoze. Well, you don't see it very much anymore. The majority of sausage that you see at the grocery store is Jimmy Dean. Well, Jimmy Dean was a singer when I was growing up. I mean, of course, he's been gone for a long time, but he was a singer, and Jimmy Dean sausages just seems weird to me. Now, I've used it, and it's good and all, but I had some ganoze that I had put in the refrigerator, and sausages got to the point where it's not lasting. I mean, you get it in, it's 2 weeks. And when I was growing up, sausage would last a long time. I'm talking a month or so, but now it's not. So I've got this hot and this mild, and I'm going to take them out of the package, put them on this plate right here, and I'm going to mix them together. I need to turn this off until I do this. I need to mix them together so they'll, I don't want just one of each. And then I'm going to make some patties, and then I'm going to make some ground sausage for sausage gravy. So let me get this done, and let me get it mixed together, and I'll bring you back when I get the patties put in here. This is my cast iron skillet. It's one that I really haven't used that much, so I'm going to try it with the sausage. And I've already put some avocado oil in it, and I'm going to try with my sausage and see if I can get it seasoned a little bit. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so into my cast iron skillet, I've got 7 patties. And then right here, I've got the rest of the sausage, and I'm going to make sausage gravy with this. And I've got the oven preheated. I'm preheating the oven to 400 for the biscuits. Let's see, what else am I going to do? I'm probably going to have to, I might I'm going to fix some eggs, so I might put the eggs in another one of my pans instead of using it in here, since I'm really trying to season this. I mean, it's seasoned when you get it, but, over time you want to get it seasoned more. And I haven't used this. This is probably the 3rd time that I've used this one, so, and I've had it for a long time. So anyway, I'm going to get up here and let these cook, and then I'm going to put this in and fry this for the sausage gravy, and I will bring y'all back when I get ready to fix the sausage gravy so I can show you how I do mine. Okay, y'all. All right, I'm having to do this really fast. When it gets to this point, it goes fast, and I goofed off and didn't get everything done while I should. So the sausage is brown. I've got 4 tablespoons of flour in here. I probably don't need that much, but I always err on the side of, if it's not there, whatever, you're going to have a clumpy gravy. So I need to put this in here. I just put it on top of the sausage and all around in the oil, the grease that's the sausage is made. Alright, and now while that's browning, I've got these biscuits that I've got to go put in the oven, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, alright, now I've stirred the flour up, And you need to always make sure that you stir the flour up and let it cook in the grease for a minute or so to get that flour taste out, because you don't want that. My mom and my grandma used to really fry this flour up until it was like a brown gravy. I haven't ever gotten mine to that point. I think I get scared that it's gonna burn or whatever, and I just don't do that. So I'm gonna try it this morning with y'all. So I've got the oil is cooking all around in this pan or whatever. And I'm gonna see, I've got my New Wave on 230. And maybe I should lift it. I need to lift my... Nah, I need to raise the temp on it. So I've got it on 250 now, which is a medium. So I'm just letting it cook. I've got 1 cup of water here. This is just, you can't see it, but it's in my coffee cup. This is 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to have to go back and get some water once it gets thick. I tasted this sausage. I got a piece of it. Here's a piece of the sausage, and it's really hot. Even though it's half hot and half mild, the hot came through, and it's pretty hot. All right. So let me stir this up and see how it's doing. I mean, I raised the temp to 250, and it's still, I don't know, maybe it's just this New Wave. But I don't really think I've ever been able to get it real brown like my mom and my grandma did.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we...
I'm going to turn it up to 275.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence.
Okay, y'all, it's just not turning brown. Well, maybe it is. Yeah, it is. Right there, it is. Alright, so it's a little bit browner than it normally is. So I'm going to go on and pour in, you can't see, but I'm going to pour in about half this cup of milk. I'm going to stir it up. And you can see it got thick fast. All right, so I'm going to pour the rest of this in here. And I got to run in there and get some water. Well, not run. I'll ride my wheelchair in there. All right, so I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, it's really thick now. All right, I'm going to pour some more of this water, half of it in here. I'm going to pour the rest of the water in here. So that's let's see, it's like 14 ounces. So I got 14 ounces of milk, 14 ounces of water. This is gonna make a lot of gravy. Let me zoom it out.
Why don't we say that it's too late?
What I usually do is I keep it in this pan on my new wave so that it stays warm, because the heat on this new wave, it'll stay on this cooktop for a while. So I'm just gonna keep this on here. I gotta go get my eggs. No, I guess I'm not gonna be able to have eggs this morning. I don't feel like messing with this pan and all until later on. I got a lot to do today. Alright, so I'm gonna go on and turn this up to sear, because it doesn't seem like it's doing anything on 275. And I will bring you back. Okay, my biscuits are ready. So what I do is I just take them. You can see these are the Grand's biscuits. No, I think these are the Walmart brand, but they sure do look good. Alright, so you couldn't even see my plate. What a dummy. Alright, when I went in to get the biscuits, the gravy stuck. So I might not even be able to get it. I'm gonna have to soak this pan and then use this scrubber thing on it. And see, now I put 4 tablespoons of flour in here, and it's still not that thick. Alright, so here I go on my, let me turn the camera around so you can see. I'm gonna put it on my biscuits. Alright, now I'm gonna let this cool off for a minute, get my drink, and put me a piece of sausage on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so let's taste this and see what it tastes like. I didn't put any pepper in it. And usually I put a whole bunch of pepper, and this is so hot that I didn't do that. I didn't even put any salt in here either. But with all that sausage, I might not need any salt. I'm going to taste it and see. Alright. It does need a little bit of salt. Not very much, but a little bit. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. I'm just gonna pick my sausage up. Alright, y'all. This is my favorite breakfast. I don't fix it very often, but I love it. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also there's links for different things that you can purchased from Amazon that I use in my kitchen. And also, there's links to things that companies have sent me samples of to show y'all, and I've showed you, and they've given you a discount or whatever, so that's below too. So I'm gonna get off of here and eat my breakfast while it's still morning. So I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.